So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a 6-step process of how to make cassava into garri. So if you're interested in knowing how cassava is produced into garri, please watch to the end. I have my cassava already. I'm peeling it now. After peeling, the next step is to wash it. My cassava is washed already. After washing, you grind. After grinding, the next step is to tie and dry the garri for the number of days you want. My garri has been dried for like 3 days now, so I'm filtering it. After filtering, my frying pot is already set on the locally made oven. So in native Nigeria language, I know this pot as abada or ite. Please comment in the comment box below if there is a specific name for it in your native language. So this is the final step. Make sure there is enough heat to fry the garri, but not too much so it does not get burnt. Just have to fry it till the garri gets dry. Allow the garri to cool, then your garri is ready for consumption.